In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in Hubspot. Having a professional email signature is a small step that makes a big difference. It helps reinforce your brand, makes your emails look polished, and gives people quick access to your contact information. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click in Hubspot and how to set up or edit your signature, whether you're using simple text or custom HTML. First, make sure you're logged into your Hubspot account. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. That's your settings area. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the main settings menu. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different settings categories. You want to navigate to the General section. This is where HubSpot keeps many of your basic account and user preferences. Click on General, and then look for the tab labeled Email. Select the Email tab to open up your email-related options. Within the email settings, scroll until you find the Configure section. This is where HubSpot lets you control how your emails behave and how they look. In this Configure area, you'll see an option to edit your signature. Depending on your version of HubSpot, you might see a button that says Edit Email Signature, or you might see Manage Email Signatures. Both will take you to the place you need to be, so just click whichever one appears for you. Now you're in the Email Signature Editor. Here, you'll either add a new signature or choose an existing one to edit. Look for a button that says Add New Signature if you're starting from scratch, or select an existing signature if you want to update what you already have. In the editor, you have two main options. You can type your signature text directly into the editor using the basic formatting tools to adjust fonts, add links, or insert line breaks. This is ideal if you want something straightforward, like your name, title, company, phone number, and website. Or, if you already have a designed signature from a generator or your design team, you can paste in custom HTML code instead. Make sure to double-check links and spacing so everything looks clean and clickable. When you're happy with how your signature looks, scroll down and click Save. That's it. Your new email signature is now ready and will be automatically added to your outgoing emails from HubSpot.